What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Willie Smith, aka the guy from DGY, and I'm here to talk to you guys about a KAL that we're going to be doing. And the project is going to be this right here. This is our 1x1 ribbed hat, my own design, and I hope that you guys can join us and come along with the ride. Super duper easy for anybody and everybody, whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a long time. Join us, have some fun, and finish a hat. Let's go. So in the upcoming weeks, we're going to be releasing a video about once a week. It's going to be outlining everything that you need to know to knit along with us in this KAL to make this hat, right? So we're going to be going over all the stuff that you're going to need to take care of the hat, how to cast on, going through the 1x1 rib pattern, doing the 1x1 rib for the body of the hat to go up to a certain length, and then we're going to go ahead and close it off with our double pointed needles when we get to that point, and then cinch it up, block it out, and rock it out, baby. We're going to make it work. So I hope to see you there. Hope to have a lot of people join us so we can just have some fun together and build this community. Let's go.